Hello friends, welcome to another unboxing and installation video. Today I'm checking out the Hugolog Dash Camera. This is 4K, ultra clear capacity, has built-in GPS, built-in gravity sensor. Also it overwrites itself as long as it's going, but if it senses like a certain amount of G's or shock or something like that, it's going to keep that from overwriting. So if you get in a wreck or something, it's going to lock that, so you'll have that information, that video available to present to maybe the insurance or whatever. Pretty important to have dash cams, especially for those purposes. If you don't have a dash cam or the other person doesn't, you get an accident. It's kind of like a he said, she said thing. This can protect you from running. You know, if you're accused of running a red light or something like that, and you have the camera footage, be like, no, I didn't do that, or what if for speed you're going, anything like that. So these can be really valuable for those kind of purposes. So here we go. This is the dash cam. Good size one here. This is has a touch screen also. You can also get a hardwire kit to where this will record things going on around your car if you're not there, if you're parked or whatever. That's an additional thing, but you can have that feature if you want to. So I'll be installing this on my vehicle. It has a front cam, and this front one also has a rear cam on it as well, so you can watch what's going on inside the camera, and then a rear facing a rear camera as well. So this comes with all the wires and everything you need. Here's a cigarette lighter adapter, a little cord where you can push the wires up along. We'll show you how to do that, and various other little attachments and stickies. Okay, so a lot of cool features on there. 4K Ultra HD. Does this come with a... Looks like I'm going to have to get a memory card. I got like a 128 gig Pony card I'm going to put in there, so that should be plenty. But yeah, very cool. Like this, got a touch screen, adjustable camera. Seems like it's going to be really nice. So I'll be installing it and then showing you guys the footage of all the cameras on there. So let's go check it out, shall we? Okay friends, well here we go. I put the little sticker up on the window. You plug it in and just kind of run your cord along underneath the dash. If you have extra cord, that's where it wants to be. So before you plug your camera in right here, and then on the windshield, use a little sticker that they provide for you. Just place that where you want, and then put that on the windshield there on the sticker. You have extra cord, you want it to go up underneath your dash. So run your cord from the camera and all the way down. Just follow the side parts there in the ceiling or on along the windshield. I went down the that weather stripping down there and underneath. I have excess cord, and you just tuck that up underneath there if you have excess. Now I just ran the rear wire. Just followed the path all the way to the back there. You want to make sure that your rear wire is right side, your camera is right side up. So when you're mounting it, you got to look at your camera there and make sure when you are mounting this that you face the camera in the correct direction. So make sure before you stick it on there that it's going to be, your camera's going to be up. I think actually on this dash cam that you can flip the picture, but I just, for me, I was like, I want to have it the correct way. And we have all these little apps and stuff on there, or the little, the big menu on there. You can show different things, change a bunch of things in settings, connect to Wi-Fi and stuff like that. Very handy, shows your GPS and whatnot. So all in all, and I'm really impressed with this. Setup wasn't too bad. It takes a little bit of time, I gotta admit, but I mean, it's well worth it for insurance purposes. Okay friends, so here is the inside camera. As you can see, the quality is very nice. It shows all your details, how fast you're going, the date, location, time, everything. Very helpful if you do get in an accident. There's the front cam right there. Once again, nice quality. It's 4K. I mean, the sound is decent as well. It doesn't pick it up like super great, but it's decent enough so you can hear what's going on. And there's the rear camera. So all in all, really impressed with this dash cam.